Perfect for you. Virtually a new home at a resale price. A newly renovated home rebuilt from the studs inward. New walls, flooring, trim, doors, countertops and more. Stylish luxury vinyl plank flooring in many main areas west/plush carpet warming the bedrooms. A true sanctuary, the extra-large primary bedroom is located on the main level west/vaulted ceilings and huge bath, dual vanity, walk-in shower, jetted tub and walk-in closet. Den is right next door. The kitchen is quite spacious and has walk-in pantry, dining area and quick access to the living room or garage. Half bath is just around the corner. Loads of storage. Upstairs are 2 bedrooms, bath and laundry connected to a versatile loft area. Large yard. $7,000 credit towards new appliances. Move-in ready.